and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for popping by. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a accessories haul. Just a few pieces that I picked up over, one was quite recent and then the other few were just before Christmas in the sales and as such. So if you are new to my channel, I do videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle kind of content. So if that's something that you think you'd be interested in, or those are the type of videos that you enjoy, please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below. That would be absolutely awesome. And also make sure you hit the notification bell, ding ding, and then that will let you know when I've uploaded a new video. And also, yeah, make sure that you hit the like button if you do end up liking the video, which there's no reason why you shouldn't. So please do make sure you hit that, and that would really help out my channel. My goal for 2021, even I was about to say 2020, but for 2021 is to try and hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. So I would really appreciate if you could help me with that, and if so, please make sure you share the video and all that jazz. So with no further waffling, let's crack on and I will show you what I picked up. So I've got, let's see, I've got a few jewellery pieces. One of them is a Christmas gift, and then I've got a little, I suppose, I don't know what to call it. It's just an accessory. It's like a card holder, but I don't know what else to call it other than accessories. Sorry, my hair's in me. My hair's in me thing, in me collar. Not that you care, but it was, so so yeah, so in no particular order, what I am going to do is some of these items, like I say, because I did get them a little while ago, I will put the information on screen. So the name of them, I will pop up a picture of them so you can see them in a little bit of a closer detail as well. And I will make sure, if I can find links for some of these, if they are still available, I'll pop them in the description bar below. Okay, so let's go. So I'm going to start with this. These are from Astrid and Mayu. So I don't know if you, that's the packaging. Sorry if you can't, yeah, there you go. Sorry, the light's a bit bright. But yeah, so that's the packaging that it comes in. And it's really like, it's like it comes, you pull it out, it's like a drawer. Pretty cool. So you pull it out. Pull it out, pull it out, pull it out. As I say, these are quite new, so that's probably why it's a little bit stiff to come out. So let's see what's in this one. So this, like I say, I will put the pictures up so you can see, because these are tiny, so it's going to be really difficult for you to see. But I picked this up for this one. I believe, is this the one for me? I think this one is I picked up for my, I had to stop the video there because it's been so long that I bought them. I couldn't remember which ones were which and where they were supposed to go in my ear. So yeah, so apologies for that, I had to stop it. So this one that I've just shown you, as I say, the details and the name and everything will be on screen. This one I picked up just for my actual earlobe itself. I do have a couple other ones from Astrid and Mayu, and I just really feel like they're really nice and just delicate. I like the fact that it's got a bit of a bling, not too crazy bling, but just kind of little subtle bling. I normally go for, if you do watch my channels, you'll notice that I do tend to wear a lot of silver jewellery, but what I wanted to do was try and kind of do a little bit of in between. So I went for the rose gold instead of the silver, and then instead of gold. I think over the past few the last few items that I've picked up jewellery wise, I think I've gone for gold, just because, like I said, I wanted to change it up. So I thought this would be a nice kind of little addition to some of the other pieces and would kind of sit really well with that. So that's that one. So as I say, details of these and pictures, images will be on screen for you to see, so you can see them in a little bit more detail. But yeah, so that's the first one. And then next I've got this one, and again comes in this very same pack. The box is quite nice actually, and then it's got like a grey, as you see there, it's got grey blah 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 on it. It's like felt. Now this one, this one again, I will put it up, but yeah, as you can see here, this one I picked up again in a rose gold, and I picked this one up to go in my I've got a conch piercing in the side. I don't know if you can see it. Sorry, I've got a conch piercing in here. It's still healing at the moment, but I wanted something to fit that area. So when I have it in, it will be around the ear. Again, I'll see if I can pop up an image so you can see exactly what I mean. But just so that it's. I like the fact that it's got a little stud in there now, and it's quite what's the word? Discreet. But then at times I feel like, yeah, I'd want to kind of bling it up a little bit, and I thought this was going to be the perfect the perfect item to do that for me. And again, the prices, I don't think they were terrible. When I picked these up, I think they had, was it 25% off sale or 35%? There was a discount anyway, hence why I picked up a few at the same time. So that was pretty good. So yeah, so that's that one. It's so pretty. So pretty. I just, oh, look at it. So pretty. Don't know if you can see. Yeah, so pretty. So yes, I'm loving that. And then next we have, oh, this one, which is a moon. It's a little diamond, like a silver, stuck with silver on this one, and it's just a little moon. Now, I picked this one up for my tragus piercing. I have a little tragus piercing there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, hopefully you can. And I've had this in for quite a while now, so I feel like it's healed enough for me to start removing and changing it. I'm dead awkward trying to get it out, so I'll probably have to go to a piercer for them to put it in for me, because I feel like when you have like cartilage piercings, depending on where they are, the angle to try and unscrew because of the way they are, I find it really difficult. And as well, because I have quite long nails, that doesn't help either, because I feel like stuff drops in underneath the nail. So it's just easier for me to go to the professional who knows exactly what they're doing. It takes them 2 seconds to do, rather than me fumbling, dropping, getting frustrated and wanting to rip off my ear. So yeah, because I get like that sometimes. So yeah, so that's the third one I picked up from Astrid and Mayu. And as I say, I do have, I think it's one other item that I picked up from theirs, which is a few years ago, and if I'm being totally honest, I haven't actually worn them, and that's only because I was working away, and yeah, I had them here, so I didn't have a chance to. And then obviously, because we've had the last, let's call it a year of lockdown, again, I've just not, because I've been in the house. So but going forward, I'm going to try and wear a lot more of the stuff that I've got. So that's number 3. And then this is a little Christmas gift that I got from Miss Soma, from the Mister. So was it for Christmas? My birthday and Christmas were quite around the same time, so it was, I can't remember if this was for birthday or Christmas, but this was a gift that he got me, so thank you if you're watching. And these, again, just I asked him for these specifically, and I got them in a gold. Again, I'm just trying to, I'll find an image so you can see it, but yeah, these are them. And they're just really pretty. I do tend to wear a lot of delicate, can you see that? Yeah, I do tend to wear a lot of delicate earrings, but I'm trying to just change it up, so I've got a bit of option. But these are so pretty. I loved the pink stone. I think they do them in like a green, and is it green, and I think that's it, but they do them in a couple of different colours. So I managed to pick up that, and I don't know if you are aware, but they come in a little pouch. The presentation for Miss Soma is absolutely fantastic. It's overall quality. It feels amazing. So yeah, and then it just comes obviously in its little box, which I do tend to keep. I do have like my little slidey drawer with my jewellery in, but I do tend to try and keep them in like little pouches and stuff, just to kind of preserve them so they don't tarnish, because they're not real gold, obviously, like either vermeil or gold plated or what have you. So so yeah, so I love these, so thank you so much, babe, for them. And then this is a little gift that I picked up myself just before, when was this? I can't remember, but this is from a company called APM Monaco, and I was in Harvey Nichols, actually. I was in there, I can't remember what I was looking for, and as I was walking past one of the little cabinets, glass or sparkly. I thought, oh, they look nice, and I picked these up. So from what I can remember, because again they've just been sat in they've been sat in the thing in my drawer, but these are a pair of earrings, and again very similar to the ones I've just shown you actually, but that's just, I just like them. This is what I like. And it's a two hoop, so it's a hoop for each ear, and I picked these up in gold. So as you can see, it's just got my initial A, and it's oh, you can't even see it. Let me just turn it around, because there we go. So it's just got a little A, so it's a little gold hoops, small hoops. So one's a plain on one side, so you'll have a plain one in one ear, and then you'll have the A dangling. Now this is a brand that I've shot with before, but I did go online, and I think, oh gosh, what I want to say, these were probably around, again I can't remember, I am going to put the information on the screen, so I don't really want to guess, but it wasn't overly expensive. I think that was one of the main reasons why I just thought, oh yeah, you know, for what it was and the price, I felt like it would be kind of a good purchase. So yeah, I put those details on the screen for you guys, along with a better like picture as well, so you can see exactly what it looks like. It's just difficult for me to show on just by hanging it up, and then the lights kind of, you know, blur everything out a little bit. So yeah, so that's, as I say, a company, APM Monaco. So yeah, so that's that. I mean, some of you guys might be aware of it, but I only found it by just browsing in Harvey Nichols. I literally just said the name and I couldn't remember it again. But anyway, yeah, so that's that. And then last but by no means least, I picked, this is the most recent one, which I think came just a couple of days ago, a little item from Harvey Nichols. This is just a receipt, I ordered online, and it comes in this just little box. I've not even opened it yet. So I'm going to open it with you guys now. I'm excited. So I bought a card holder. Now I do have a card holder, which it's functional, and you can actually put quite a lot of cards in there. But I bought my sister a card holder from Tory, I think it was Tory Burch it was, for Christmas, and it was just really nice, and I thought, well, I need a card holder now. So I went on the hunt for a card holder, and I went onto the Harvey Nichols. At first, I'm going to try and make this quick, but at first I was trying to find one pre-loved, because as you guys know, or you guys who watch me, I do try and buy a lot of my things pre-loved, just so that I like the idea of getting a little bit cheaper, and I like the idea of also sustainability and not just continuously buying new. If there is something out there that I can pick up, I'm more than happy to do that. But I think with the whole Brexit thing now, whereas previously you could buy, especially with again the EU, I'm not clued up on it, but the item that I saw on Vestiaire Collective was from France. Now usually if I buy anything and it's coming from France, there's no kind of import duties. However, by the time that the import duties were put on there, the postage was put on there, the authentication was put on there, I might as well have bought a new one in the UK. So I had to, unfortunately, and I really liked it. It was so nice. It was an Alexander McQueen black one with a little skull, and then it also had little studs. Oh, it was so nice, so nice. I was gutted that I couldn't get it. So I went onto the Harvey Nichols website and found one from Vivienne. And this, it costs, and again, a really good price, 115. Now, the one that I was looking on Vestiaire Collective, yes, it would have been a little bit cheaper. I think it probably turned out at about 100 and either just under 100 or just over 100. However, that was used, so for me to get this one brand new at 115, it was just a no-brainer. So let me open this. Ooh. Oh gosh, rookie. So it just comes in a little thing there, and then you open it up. Oh, it's so nice. Oh yeah, it's nice this. So it is literally just this. So that's the plastic. That's just obviously her logo. It has the three slots here. There we go. So it has 3 slots on the other side as well. And then you open it up. Oh, this is pretty good actually, because online it didn't really it didn't show you a picture of it opened up. I understood that you could flip it open like so, but I wasn't too sure what was inside. But you then have another 3 slots, so you have 3 slots on this side, and then you also have 3 slots on that side, and then ooh, look, you've got the little embossed Vivienne Westwood on there. Absolutely stunning. And then it comes with like the details, so like the card, so like it's from Harvey Nichols, and then the Vivienne Westwood kind of stuff, and it's got a little, I'm assuming it's like a care thing in here. Yeah, so what is it? We would like to thank you for, this is just from them. When you would recommend like, keep it in a dust bag or a dry, well ventilated place, and I think that's just because it's leather, so they're just saying like if you, when you're not using it, to make sure that you're protecting it so it doesn't kind of go a bit funny. But I am over. Oh, it's even better. It's actually even better than I thought it was. Like I say, I thought it was just like this side and that side, which I would have been more than happy with. But then now you've got like obviously, oh yeah, this is so nice, and it feels lovely. So yeah, oh, I'm so pleased with that. Can you tell? Can you tell? Oh, it's so nice. Oh, it's so nice. Love it. And I wanted to go with something really simple because I didn't want to kind of get a brand where I feel like it has to match with this bag or match with that bag. The fact that it's literally a black, really simple card holder, and then it's just got a slight little emblem on there. I just thought it'd be perfect for all the, you know, again, I was thinking about some of the bags that I already have and how it would work with it. So I think this is absolutely perfect. I cannot wait to start using this. And then obviously it's just got like these, and that's just kind of showing you how your card will look. And then you do have an insert inside there, so I suppose I could put cash in there if I wanted to, or you know, I could put a little bit of, I could put notes in there and just have that. So so that is everything, guys. That's my little mini accessories haul. So like I say, I will do my best to leave links for any of these that are still available in the description bar down below. Hopefully I will, like I say, I will make sure I will have put the pictures on there so you can actually see some of these, especially like the earrings, because they are so dainty, that you'll be able to see them a little bit more closer and get a better idea of how they will maybe look in the ear and just how they look in general. And also I'll try and put the price for them on the screen as well. So hopefully I've done all that because I've not edited this bit yet. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching. And you know, if you have bought stuff from either Miss Oma or that AP, what was it called? APM, I think it's called, yeah. Or Astrid and Mayu, which I always struggle to say because I want to say Astrid de Mayu, and it's not, it's Astrid and Mayu. So if you've purchased anything from there, I'd be really interested to know what your thoughts are on those and what your experience has been. But I would be interested if anyone's got any thoughts on those, if you leave them in the comment section. So yeah, please subscribe if you haven't also already done so. Make sure you hit the notification bell, ding ding ding, and also make sure you hit the thumbs up button. That will help my channel out immensely. And as I said at the beginning of the video, I am aiming to hit my 1,000 subscribers for 2021, and I would really appreciate it if you did subscribe to my channel. So I have waffled on enough. I will love you and leave you, and I will catch you in my next video, guys. Bye for now. See ya.